dito.
You're burning your plate.
Kaya lang, hindi siya healthy. Hindi pa ay tabay.
That's why the kids, kids not us. Ibig mo lalako, patiti lalako may tabay.
Dry lang.
No? Kasi,
Hindi pa dry.
naubos yung cherry. Ako, kinain ko. Ilan na ako?
Say, Sterling Vans, $7 laba. No, wala na $25 siya. Asal mo, yeah, grocery.
I know.
Then sa mental fee, $7 laba.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can get that $25 so easy.
I know.
Yeah. You buy just the lalata na, so kailangan mo.
Kim Mamang? Oh!
Kala ni Mama magpapapicture, hindi naman picture video, Mama.
Video yan, video. Nakakamusta kayo lang tan, ganyo. Nagpawidag batlang tan. On.
Pwede lang iming guys.
Wala ko na talon.
Yung kalo. Aman so, tagilibig ka.
They don't celebrate it sa Pilipinas.
Ay, di mag-Pilipinas. Di ka lang yung talon.
Yeah.
Eh! Loser! Hi. Hi.
Oh my gosh, I want to watch this so bad.
Give her a teapot.
Crystal? Yeah. I bought it at the thrift store for 50 cents. Is it really good?
I like my fireplace.
You like it? It's big. You should get more wood. What about Sunday?
What? Open up the thing.
Pero I can go church with you tonight. Sunday, because I'm off at
On
once.
weekend off.
Oh, you are?
This is my wife's kitchen now. It's a mess.
Today is just
Okay.
it's holiday, but if I really want to give a shower, I can do it. I said no, it's my holiday.
Fasten is working. Nice.
Well, they should be off tomorrow. They are off in the office. I don't know why.
Siguro hanggang 72. Ang ibig sabihin naman 72.
Ilang taon na yun, kaya nagul ko.
They're always busy.
Ilang taon lang yung 2 nila.
102.
You guys want s'mores?
You guys want to make s'mores?
Daya kayo nung tanay. Kuya Billy, para naman tayo mag-sweetheart nito.
Oo ba?
Isa na
Pwede
lang
lang.
ang baso natin. Nagkakahalata na ako sa iyo.
Bigyan na.
Ba't ako walang picture? Hello! Thanksgiving!
Mother net.
Na pag-ibigyan.
Isa lang ang
Kasi wala kang lintik na pag-ibig. Kaya